Welcome to the Sweet Scents videos. Today I will be showing you how I create the Mocha Latte Snap Bar Wax Melts. The scent used for the wax melts is a Mocha Latte. In addition to the mocha scent, ground coffee beans have been added to the wax melts. After the wax melts have set up, I piped whipped wax to the top of the melts and added a coffee bean to the top of the bars. These bars have been tested to make sure that the coffee beans do not burn, but please remove the coffee beans from the warmer when you have less than a half an inch of wax in the burner. Thank you for watching our video, and please don't forget to check our website at www.sweetscentshop.com. Have a great day.